To install the bed rack backbone and platform kit on your Polaris XPEDITION XP, follow these steps. Start by parking the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park and remove the key. To install the platform rack, start by assembling the platform rack on a soft surface to prevent damage. The platform rack will be assembled with the bottom of the rack facing up. Next, install two right-hand corner base pieces to the front and rear extrusions. Make sure the holes on the corner base pieces align with the holes on the extrusion. Next, install the two left-handed corner base pieces to the front and rear extrusions. Next, slide the two side extrusions into each corner base. Make sure the holes on the side extrusions align with the holes on the front and rear extrusion bar assemblies. Then loosely install the side extrusions with 8 bolts. Do not torque at this time. Next, loosely install 4 platform planks to the platform frame assembly with 16 bolts. Then loosely attach the 2 right-hand and 2 left-hand corner covers with 4 bolts. Next, torque all bolts with the torque tool until the tool clicks. To install the single underbar extrusion, attach the underbar to the platform assembly using 12 bolts. Next, torque all bolts sequentially from one end to the other with the provided tool. Tighten each bolt until the tool clicks. Next, install 4 T-nuts into the box rail. Turn the T-nuts 90 degrees so they will properly clamp to the rail when tightened. Repeat on the other side. Next, place the backbone on top of the box rail. Loosely install 4 screws. Do not torque at this time. Then, turn the bottom side of the platform rack face up and insert 8 channel nuts through the large center slot in the rack. Slide 2 channel nuts toward each corner of the rack. Then, install the front and rear braces on the rack. Use 2 screws to attach to each brace. Tighten screws enough that the braces do not slide when the rack is flipped over. Next, flip the rack over and place on the backbones. Adjust the rack to line up on the mounting holes with the holes in the backbones. Then install 6 screws. Torque screws to specification. Use the torque tool included with the platform kit. Then slide the front and rear braces out toward the backbones until the holes in the braces line up with the holes in the backbones. Next, install 2 screws in each brace and torque screws to specification. Use a torque wrench to tighten. Then torque screws that hold the braces to the rack to specification. Use a torque wrench to tighten. Next, torque the 8 screws that hold the backbones to the rails to specification. The weight limit of the roof/cargo box platform rack is 150 pounds or 68 kilograms. To prevent damage to the roof/cargo box platform rack, never exceed the recommended weight limit. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.